Welcome back to my channel, guys. Okay guys, the Sambora trading community, you get free signals Monday to Friday, every single day of the week. So let me explain to you how this works. Okay, we trade the opening of the FTSE 100 and the European Open at 8 o'clock London time, and then what we do is through the course of the morning I'll look for a nice setup for either a long position or a short position, usually in the morning, and it's usually between kind of 10 a.m. to probably, I would say probably noon London time again. Okay, what you've seen here in this trade, this is typical. It's very typical of what we do Monday to Friday. Okay, so in terms of the signals, guys, you know, when you join the Sambora trading community, not only do you get the lifetime's access to the course, lifetime's access to the live commentary, but you also get these signals. Now, there's a lot of people out there that actually charge people for these signals. Now, I'm not going to do that. When you join the Sambora trading community, this is what you get. Now, I'm not going to say that every single morning you get a signal, because if the setup is not correct, you know, if the opportunity is not there, well then we simply don't trade it. But 9 times out of 10, the opportunity is there to trade it, and that's exactly what we do. This is a lovely example. You know, again, I've said it a million times. If you've been following me for a while, you know exactly the kind of setups that I like. So this is a lovely little setup, mid-morning. Beautiful rally, bullish over a number of hours. It tested a key level in terms of resistance. Okay, so trying to break new highs. It was rejected 2 or 3 times. I think on the third time I took my short position, held it for a while, went a little bit into the red, but then eventually closed on 300, just over 300 euro. And actually just after that, you know, I had said when I closed that I think it'll probably reverse a little bit, and that's exactly what done. So I'm glad that I took that profit, the 314 euro, because it was going to recur. Okay, but again, guys, nice example. If you can't trade, you know, pre-market in the FTSE 100 on the European Open, if you can't actually scalp it, well then this is a nice little opportunity for you to look at. You know, you have a coffee break in the morning or wherever, you look at this opportunity. This is the exact same setup, and the same principle applies to taking a long position. Okay, so what we're looking for, guys, on these intraday positions is we're looking for a huge amount of space being created, i.e. we're looking for a huge rally or a huge sell-off. Okay, anything in between that simply isn't worth the risk. Okay, so the greater the space, the greater the opportunity. The greater the space, you know, the greater the leverage. Okay, it means that, you know, after a significant rally you'll get a very good pullback, and that's exactly what happened here. Okay guys, before we get into the video, make sure that you smash that like button, make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and if you want to join the Sambora trading community, or even just message me, you can message me on my Instagram, sambora.00, or you can send me an email, eduardosambora@yahoo.com. It was a nice profitable morning in the Sambora trading community, quite a few guys took it, you'll see in the video. This is what you get, guys. This is what you get when you look for these opportunities. You get these opportunities. You've got to look for them. Okay, you've got to look at the times that you can trade, fit it around your lifestyle. I guarantee you there's somewhere that you can fit trades in. Okay, here we go. Hope you enjoyed this week's video. 314 euro. And listen guys, that's one trade. Okay, I trade about 4 times a day. Okay, so on average 300 euro trade. It all adds up, right? And it's the same even with a small account, it all adds up. See you guys again very soon for more videos. Okay, so we are going to look for a short position here, FTSE 100. Let me just go into the chat room. Okay, let's alert the team. Right, okay, so that's the team alerted. So these are the daily signals. Okay, so you can see here my usual setup. Look at the consistent bullish rally that we've seen all morning. You can see now this was resistance, this was the key level. Okay, it was rejected, it's attempted again, so it's retested the previous high, it's retested resistance, it's been rejected. it's tried it again. So let's just go in for this short position. Okay, so the idea here is that, I hold this for quite a while. So I could end up holding this for 45 minutes to an hour. But this is typically what we do on the morning session, FTSE 100 European Open on the morning session. This is typically what we do. This is typically the opportunity that we get, okay, whether it's a short or a long. Some of the team will see this, some of them won't. So obviously the ones that see it will obviously look to take the same position thereabouts. But you can see it's been rejected here again. So this is the kind of setup that I look for in terms of intraday trading in the morning session on the FTSE 100, and we do this Monday to Friday. So what you'll find is in the Sambora trading community, usually most mornings I'll put a signal out. And listen, some people charge for these signals. When you join the Sambora trading community, it comes with the whole package, but there is people that actually charge people for these signals. But as I said, in the Sambora trading community, not only do you get the live commentary, but you get the daily signals as well. It's all part of being in the community. I wouldn't dream of charging for signals. I just wouldn't. Okay, so that's the idea. We'll be holding this for quite a while. You can see that it's starting to pull back now. There's a couple of key things here to be mindful of. First of all, there's been a consistent rally. Okay, this is a key level, as I said, just above 7690. It was rejected, it pulled back, it consolidated, it retested again. This time it didn't quite reach the previous high, rejected. You could see that it was retesting again. So 3 retestings, that's when I took my short position. This is ready now, it's ready to pull back. Now this will probably pull back somewhere in the region to 7675, I would imagine, somewhere like that. So the idea is, in terms of intraday trading, the FTSE 100 on the morning session, is that we hold this for probably half an hour, 45 minutes. Okay, so we're back. So how long have we been holding this? Half an hour. So 276. Quite a lot of the guys in the chat room took this trade also. Look at this. Quite a few of the team took it. So yeah, 5 to 11. This is what you can expect when you join the Sambora trading community. Right, okay. Let's just hold this for a little bit longer, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to liquidate this pretty soon. You can see that nice little pullback there. I mean, it had to pull back. It simply had to. I mean, what will happen now is, I said it would probably go down to 7675. I might pull back just before it gets back to that area. So I'm actually just going to liquidate. Okay, so €319. It'll probably drop now, watch. But yeah, guys, free signals in the Sambora trading community. As you can see, this is what a typical morning looks like. I usually put this out once a morning. As I said, the chat room is quite busy this morning. A number of the guys have taken that signal and made money, and that is what it's all about. So as you can see, we've seen a nice pullback there. I simply had to listen. Again, guys, it's the historical data, right? You've heard me say it a million times. The historical data. That's what this is all about.